I like that shirt. You guys sell them shirts?
Yes, we just got them in.
That is nice.
Thank you.
And they will last a long time.
Yeah.
These are really, really good quality
Good
shirts.
quality shirts?
Mm-hmm.
I've got some made from these people that I've had for 20 years and they need to crack.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
And we have them in navy and black, sizes large to 4X.
Got anything you want to show me?
Sure. Well, our shirt was our main item today.
Yeah.
And I don't know if we had the hats the last time you were around.
I don't know. Okay.
We have Johan hats. They're $12. Show special today for 10.
Looks good.
We have a limited number of these with us today.
The Dodge trucks?
Well, we have the Dodge trucks, but we also have a 67 Plymouth Valiant.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 3D printed.
Oh, wow.
It's more of a Pro Street design. It does come with a, it'll have a four-link rear suspension setup, but has the interior with bench seats. Can't see it too well there, but nice little two-door sedan.
Mm-hmm. That is nice.
These are $80 each. And we have our Dodge truck with us. We have the long bed and the short bed with steely wheels and rallies. We have our utility trailer.
Can you show me a Dodge truck?
Sure. This one is, well, that's Italian. Let's see. This one is a long bed here.
It'll be the exact same except for long and short,
Yes.
correct? Okay.
Yes. Now, we do offer them with a with your choice of a set of rally type wheels or the steely wheels.
Okay.
This one's the rallies. It has 3D printed small parts, clear lenses, vacuum windows, the 4 grill options, which I can show you here. And it also comes with your option of either a tubbed bed or a standard bed.
Okay.
They're just nested together here in the bag. Now you do have to provide your own suspension and engine on this. But it's got 4 different grill options.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Again, available as a long bed or short bed. And these are $100.
Okay.
What else do
We got
have?
the utility trailer.
Yes, we have our utility trailer. It's 26, it's multimedia, 3D printed with laser cut wooden bed slats, tailgate hinges, so you can pose it either way, and we offer it with either plastic or brass rod for your hinges, so your choice. And this builds up really nice.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Very simple to build.
Okay.
We have some original Johan 69 Road Runner chrome trees. Our clocks.
I know these were a hit last time I showed
Yes.
them.
Yes.
Those are the last 2 you have?
These are the last 2 we have. Now we do, just a little teaser for everyone, we do have some more projects in the works that we hope to debut by the Akron NNL or by Detroit show in November at the latest. But this one's been very, very popular.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I had a lot of people like that one.
And
what amazed me is how nice and clean and slick it is.
Yes.
It was beautiful.
And this is an industrial grade resin, which a lot of people don't use, but our guy does. We have red taillight lenses, vacuum windows.
I would wear it.
We have original white wall tires. Taillight panel is separate, and as well as the bumper and the grill. Brass axles. Now, this works out really, really well if you use the Revell chrome paint on your chrome, and that's that's how this built up, was done with the Revell Chrome.
Okay.
And Doug built that one at our store in just a few hours, so it's a really quick build.
Okay.
The only reason you said that is because
And like I say, we've got some other exciting products that'll be coming out. Again, limited edition items.
Yeah. Okay. Great. Very nice.
And we have our Johan hats that we just got in. And we do have some just various other, like the Johan Cutlass interiors. These are the promo interiors that you know, will work well with some of the 3D printed GM bodies of the same series.
There's all your t-shirts.
Yes, we have the t-shirts in navy blue and black in sizes from large to 4X.
Okay. Got them for the big boys. What you got in the bags? Just miscellaneous
Yeah,
stuff?
those are miscellaneous bag kits.
The main one I want
And
is the flat box.
then we've got some of our store inventory
Okay.
there. On the,
What's the
other
address
side.
of you guys' store?
Our store is located in Kettering, Ohio at 1972 Woodman Center Drive. And the store is open today. So if you're in that area, you see this, you're in that area, stop by.
Okay. And you got a Facebook page?
Yes, we have a Facebook page.
And I'll show the Facebook page right here.
Okay.
All right.
And,
And that's how they can get a hold of you, through Facebook?
Yes.
All right.
That's the best way.
All righty.
So Messenger, we got Pegasus wheel sets today, and a little bit of everything.
All righty. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
67 Fury. The 66 Fury. I got 7 or 8 flat boxes.
That is neat.
I wasn't tight on money.
Here's some of their store inventory. And he gave the address of the store. And again, I'll show the Facebook page so you can get a hold of them if you want to.
they did all the fun.
Yeah. There was times
All
I
right,
wished
Atomic
I was
City
retired,
Rod and Custom.
but I don't want the age.